So I just wanted to show you guys a really quick, really cheap DIY polish remover. So, you know, I use the little clip things and stuff, but here is something else that you can do. So take a glass baby jar, okay, and you know the cheap green and yellow, you know what I'm talking about, sponges, that's the word I'm looking for, the sponges. So basically I cut this, I cut this in like half lengthwise. And then you're just gonna take it, you want the scrubby side on the inside, and you're gonna pull it into like a little circle, stick it down in the baby food jar.
And I'm gonna put these last in.
There's a little space right here, so I have a little tiny piece. And then I'm gonna squish this.
And then we're gonna put the next
And when it gets in there, it's tight, like it's got like a tight little fit. So now we have like the scrubby, like all in the center, okay? Outside is yellow. So then in the center of that, we're gonna take these other two pieces
and put them in.
and squish, so that one's on this side, it's butted up against here. And then this one, we're gonna bump down.
And then we have this red to put
Hang on, don't put your hand in there, please. So we're gonna squish this down in there, it gets tight. So now we have this, okay? And you know those little bottles of, those little things of acetone with the little bristles? So this, you can refill, you can just go to the Dollar Tree and get some dollar non-acetone. You guys, acetone's a little more drying on your fingernails, and if you have dry, brittle nails, I'm gonna recommend you go to non-acetone. I do not want you to drop this, you have to hang on. So anyways, so you just made your little scrubber, and then you can take your non-acetone, pour it in. I had to use some more of my other one, but you're gonna pour that in there, and then you have your own little acetone scrubber that you can stick your finger down in. Anywhere that you put it down in there, in between there, it's gonna have the scrubber and take your polish right off. So, how amazing is that? So then it's just so good. And you don't have to you don't have to pour a whole lot of acetone in here. You can literally just get it wet, just pour some to do your fingers. That way you don't have to like waste it or anything.
And guess what, guys?
It's all filled up.
And guess what, guys? I had to just try that baby food.
Yeah, she wanted to try the baby food. So that's it. Have a good one. Bye.
Bye.